Hi all. So do you all get confused when to use wo, when to use woher and when to use wohin? You have started understanding and learning the German grammar, but still this confusion still exists. Now, in this video I'll try to break down into simple rules when to use wo, when to use woher and when to use wohin. Let's quickly dive into the concept. The very first is that wo, woher and wohin, all of three represent somewhere related to where. Okay, where, but there is a difference between these three words. Now wo actually stands for where, which means the location. It is used to ask about a location. There is no movement when we are using the word wo in questions. For example, I simply want to ask somebody, where are you? There is no movement. I want to know where that person is currently located. That is why I'm using wo. Okay. For example, if I ask somebody, wo bist du? That means, where are you? Wo bist du means, where are you? The answer could be, ich bin zu Hause. I am at home. So use wo when there is no movement. When we are talking about static position without movement, the current location we want to ask for somebody's, then we use wo. The second word was woher. Woher we use when we are talking about where from. For example, if you see this, there is A, B and C. A represents wo, where, current position. Okay. For example, B to A represents where from. If I want to ask somebody, where are you coming from? There we use woher. Mostly woher in German is used to ask someone or something, where are they coming from? Mostly we use this question as, woher kommst du? Where do you come from? It is used to tell your place of origin. For example, if I want to say, I come from Germany, I'll say, ich komme aus Deutschland. That means my place of origin, my place of birth is Germany and I'm coming from Germany, which is basically B to A ka movement. Okay, you come from a particular point. The third is wohin. Wohin simply means where to. It is used to ask directions or destination. Okay, you're going from A to B. Okay, there is a movement towards a particular direction, towards a particular destination. There we use wohin. For example, wohin gehst du? Answer could be, ich gehe zur Schule. Ich gehe towards that particular place. So use wohin when there is a movement, that is from A to B, to a particular point. I hope this is clear. I'll quickly recap this for you. Wo we use when we are talking about the current location, which does not include any movement. Wohin is used when we are talking about direction, when we are talking about destination, when we are talking when somebody is moving from point A to point B, like where are you going? And woher is used when we are talking or when we are asking something or someone their place of origin, where do they come from. This basically is someone is coming from the point B to point A. In this sense we use woher. Wo stationary, wohin and woher represents the movement. I hope this was clear now. Please try making sentences. Like I always say, no grammar rule, no vocabulary is complete until unless you try to incorporate those structure into sentences. And I'll see you all very soon in the next video. I'll come up with another German concept which is very important for the beginners as well as for the intermediate level. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers.